Take a ride in the 2018 Levante. The Maserati Levante is a mid-size crossover which gives drivers a taste of top-end acceleration, comfort, and handling. The crossover also provides the functionality needed to make this luxury vehicle perfect for all drivers and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.